Hello, curious kids. Welcome back to Curious Cub, the place where learning becomes fun, exciting, and full of curiosity. Today we are continuing our amazing science series, Life Processes in Animals. In the last episode, we learned about nutrition in animals. And today we are going to explore another super important life process, respiration in animals, how animals breathe and get energy. So kids, take a deep breath with me. Inhale, exhale. All right, let's begin our learning adventure. Kids, every time you run, jump, play, laugh, or even think, your body needs energy. But where does this energy come from? From food, yes, but food alone is not enough. Our body needs oxygen to unlock the energy inside food. And this full process is called respiration. Let's say it like a magic formula. Food plus oxygen gives you energy plus carbon dioxide plus water. Respiration helps animals move and play, grow and stay strong, keep the heart pumping, and help the brain think. Without respiration, life is just not possible. Many kids think breathing and respiration are the same, but they are not. Breathing means taking air in and out, like inhale and exhale. Respiration is using oxygen inside the cells to produce energy. Breathing happens in the lungs, and respiration happens in the cells of the body. Let's compare. Breathing is a physical process, and respiration is a chemical process. Breathing happens in the lungs, while respiration happens in the cells. Breathing involves air movement, and respiration involves energy release. So kids, breathing is like opening the door, and respiration is like using what's inside the room. Animals live in different places: land, water, air, underground. So nature has given them different breathing organs. Let's explore one by one. Fish live underwater, right? But water also contains dissolved oxygen. Fish take water into their mouth, then water passes through gills, and the gills absorb oxygen. Carbon dioxide is released back into the water. So kids, gills are like water-breathing lungs. Frogs are amazing creatures. They live on land and in water. As tadpoles, they breathe through gills. As adult frogs, they breathe through lungs. And in water, they can also breathe through moist skin. That's why frogs are called amphibians. Insects like ants, grasshoppers, and cockroaches don't have lungs. Instead, they breathe using tiny holes in their body called spiracles. Air enters tubes called tracheae, and oxygen directly reaches their body tissues. Tiny holes, tiny tubes, tiny breathers. Birds fly high in the sky, so they need a lot of energy. Birds have lungs and extra air sacs, and this helps them get more oxygen. That's why birds can fly long distances. Snakes, lizards, turtles, and crocodiles. All of them breathe through lungs. Even if snakes look long and narrow, yes, they still have lungs. Our breathing journey is like this. First, air enters through the nose, then it passes through the windpipe, and next, it reaches the lungs. Oxygen mixes with blood, and the blood carries oxygen to every cell. Cells release energy, and then carbon dioxide returns to the lungs and we exhale it out. Amazing! Our body works like a smart oxygen delivery system. Okay kids, respiration actually happens in two main ways. First, there's aerobic respiration. This one uses oxygen, produces more energy, and honestly it happens in most animals and humans. Then there's anaerobic respiration, which is, without oxygen. This usually happens in your muscles during really heavy exercise, and that's what causes tiredness and cramps. For example, when you're running really fast and your legs start hurting, that's because your muscles are respiring without oxygen for a short time. Okay, here are some super cool facts about breathing. Did you know a whale can hold its breath for about an hour? And, a dolphin comes up to breathe using a blowhole. Earthworms, believe it or not, breathe through their skin. Babies actually breathe faster than adults, which is kinda interesting. And hibernating animals slow down their respiration during winter. Nature is full of wonders. Right, curious kids? Let's quickly review what we learned today. So respiration is basically oxygen plus food, which gives us energy. Remember, breathing is not the same as respiration. Fish use gills, insects use spiracles, birds have lungs and air sacs. Frogs use both lungs and skin, and humans have lungs. Respiration is necessary for life. Great! You're learning like little scientists. Now kids, it's quiz time. Make sure to pause the video after each question and think about your answer. First, fish breathe through. Is it lungs, skin, gills, or spiracles? Second, respiration gives energy, color, hair, or sound. Third, which animal breathes through spiracles? Is it a frog, bird, insect, or fish? Fourth, breathing happens in the heart, lungs, brain, or skin. Fifth, frogs breathe through only lungs, only skin, lungs and skin, or gills only. Sixth, birds have only lungs, gills, lungs and air sacs, or spiracles. Seventh, respiration happens in the stomach, cells, bones, or hair. Eighth, in humans, oxygen is carried by blood, bones, skin, or teeth. Ninth, which gas is released during respiration? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, or hydrogen. 10th, during running, muscle pain occurs due to sleep, anaerobic respiration, water, or air. Great job, curious kids. Tell your answers in the comments. Thank you for watching Curious Cub. Today we learned about respiration in animals. It's one of the most important life processes. In the next episode of our Life Processes in Animals series, we'll learn another exciting topic. So stay curious, stay happy, and keep learning. Bye-bye, kids. See you in the next video.